The emergence of Google A2A, agent-to-agent protocol, will significantly shape the future roles of DevSecOps, Kubernetes, AI architects, as well as cloud architects, as well as cloud vendors. Specifically, let us discuss about Kubernetes with the A2A protocol. So, how they are creating new roles. Let us discuss about that. Hi, this is Murli Tulam, founder of ITS Code Private Limited, architect, trainer in the area of DevSecOps, Azure Cloud, AWS Cloud, Kubernetes, along with AI, ML, IoT integration. Till now, I have trained more than 5,000 plus students and 1,000 plus students working with top MNCs. Today, we are going to discuss about our future roles related to DevSecOps, Kubernetes, cloud related roles. Let us see that. Now, let us discuss about A2A protocol as well as future job roles. So let us see. So related to DevOps engineer, AI architects, Kubernetes, as well as cloud solution providers as well. So before that, let us see. So previous videos we discussed about MCP as well as A2A protocol. So here we observe like this is a protocol. These are all different agents, and these agents are trying to communicate with A2A protocol. Right? Also, there is a MCP. Within this agent, if it is trying to connect with some other data source, it will use MCP servers. These are all scenarios previous videos we covered. Also, next, let us see. So Google, they published within the marketplace some agents as well. You can also find that AI agents. So many agents are there. You can also find that. Now, here we need to understand what is the role of Kubernetes. So A2A, Google A2A protocol, agent to agent protocol. What is the role of Kubernetes? So here you can see. So Microsoft oriented architecture. So it's deployed in the Kubernetes. Right? So here you can see Kubernetes. So it required at least 1.19 version. Kubernetes version, it required 1.19 version, as well as minimum 3 nodes we need to set up this entire scenario if you are trying to integrate with your ATA protocol. And then let us try to observe some manifestos as well. So whenever you're trying to communicate with multiple agents, so here you can see A2A agents. This is the manifesto you can see. This is the API version, a2a.google.com/v1, and kind is agent network. Right? And also just see communication protocol, JSON, RPC. Okay. Also let us see agent pool as well. Agent pool, managing clusters, right? Cluster nodes. So here the API version is A2A Google ata.google/v1 alpha1. Kind is agent pool. Now, let us observe deployment models. So whenever you're trying to deploy agents, AI agents, with the help of Kubernetes, right? So let us try to observe different deployment type, use cases, as well as for A2A benefits, let us see. Also, what type of resources we are going to use Kubernetes, right? So there are all things you can see. Stateless agents, ephemeral tasks, as well as deployment for rapid scaling. And also stateful agents as well, persistent sessions. If you need your identities, then go for stateful sets. And also batch agents, computational workloads, right? And the jobs, cron jobs, and resource efficiency. These are all things we already used in our Kubernetes, right? Same things here it will apply, and we can start utilizing for our API integration as well. And also other one, daemon agents. Suppose is there any node specific tasks, only specific to or worker node specific tasks. You can go for daemon sets as well as host level integration. Right? These are all models you can see. Agent deployment models. Right? Different deployment types here you can use. Now let us go back to our section like a topic like what are the roles are there in terms of DevOps, DevSecOps, Kubernetes, as well as cloud, AI architect, different roles let us observe. So as a DevSecOps engineer or DevOps engineer, we need to deploy multiple agent AI systems, particularly on Kubernetes. So how to deploy these agents, right? Also, we need to set up security and scaling our A2A infrastructure, right? How to set up the scenarios. And similar way, set up CI/CD pipelines for our AI agents. And monitoring and troubleshooting. So we need to monitor this entire framework. If anything goes wrong, we need to get some feedback as well. And also, we need to monitor security issues. Security is an important one because we need to communicate with multiple agents, one agent to other agent, or one organization to other organization. So here the security is important one, right? So we need to manage that security as well. Also, overall lifecycle management or agent lifecycle management. So as a DevSecOps engineer, we need to take care of that. And also here we are going to use Kubernetes. So we are on top of Kubernetes, we are going to deploy these agents. And now let us see some AI artists. As an AI architect, so he will design how AI agents will work together with A2A systems. Also, how agents are shared one agent to other agents. These are all things will be planned by our AI architects, right? And also communication method between agents. So how to define communication methods between agents. Right? And coming to the cloud solution providers or cloud engineer, let's say. Cloud solution providers, they need to develop or support which supports our A2A mechanism, agent to agent mechanism. Also offer Kubernetes services optimized for A2A. Right? If you observe Google, they are providing the services similar way other vendors, whoever vendors are there, right? They need to offer services for optimized for A2A services. Right? Also create tools for building A2A agents and as well as offer A2A expertise and consulting. And also build marketplace for A2A ready AI agents. Just now we observed, right, on marketplace, right? So these are all possibilities out there. These are all different roles. You can see that. Right? Coming videos, let us try to focus how to set up agent to agent scenarios on top of your Kubernetes environment. Let us see that. Please see the documentation below. If you like this video, please share it and see you in the next video. Thank you.